Alright, these are the elevators here at the Hyatt Place, Lakeland Center, here in Lakeland, Florida. And these are Mowrey elevators that got an innovation button replacement by KONE. Go up to 6. Here on 6. Back down to 1. Door close button works. Door at 1. Send this elevator away. We'll try to get the other elevator. And now, let's get this elevator right here. You're up on 6. Back down to 1. Door close before you push the button. We all like that. Overall, these are pretty basic elevators for a Hyatt Place. Nothing really too exciting. Florida care, this is elevator 2. Certificate right there. These are your innovation prestige button replacement by KONE. Capacity is 2,500. Actual watch button go out. Actually, we'll go back up to 6 and get a view from the top. Listen to the motor of this car one more time. Alright, now let's see if we get a view from the 6th floor. And over there you can get a nice view towards downtown Lakeland. Sorry, the window's kind of filthy. Down there's the driveway and parking lots. That's your west set of steps. And then let's see what's on the other side. Sorry, there's a guy right there I want to get on the camera. There are the elevators. Made it.
Hey, bud.
How you doing?
I think, I don't know what it
Alright, let's see what this view offers, then go back down the elevator. I see some solar panels out there. Yeah, you get a nice view of the RP Funding Center, which is like some convention center or arena, whatever it is. That's your second set of steps. Let me open the door to give you a better view. Looks like this one serves the roof. That's the west set of stairs. And now, let's go back down the elevator and the video. Again, it's got innovation prestige buttons, which has been done by KONE. These are not the original buttons. We get to go down this car. This is the quiet of the two. Go down to one. Sorry, that was my phone watch going off. And there's music playing down here, so I'm going to talk over the music. And there goes the elevator, and those were the elevators here at the Hyatt Place Lakeland Center Hotel in Lakeland, Florida. And that will be it.